Out among 'em entertainment. Hanging out with Moonshine Muscle Productions presents the 2024 NIU Homecoming Car Show and Block Party. Grab a cool one and the snacks of your choice and follow along as we relive the events of October 17th, 2024. A 3-block stretch of Lincoln Highway in DeKalb was closed down to bring in cool cars, the NIU band, and sports teams on parade, along with vendors with tasty treats and lots of souvenirs of the 2024 Northern Illinois University Homecoming Week. Here we go. And now, let's have a parade.
That goes better.
After the parade, the band performs for the crowd gathered for the pep rally at the end of the route. We join them behind the scenes.
Hundreds of people in the community out here to join in this celebration. And many of us, I'm class of 95, I saw class of 2002. There are Huskies everywhere here. And we're all able to come together and celebrate this awesome day. And looking out at this crowd, I couldn't be a prouder Husky right now to see all of you out here supporting the red and black. I want to thank our president of the university. We're excited. I'm super excited that we were able to do it. And if you all look back there and look as far as you can see, it's packed. This is what homecoming should be. This is what it'll be every single solitary year. And I look forward to seeing you out every year to celebrate Northern Illinois University, the City of DeKalb, the community that we have, celebrate each other, and again, go Huskies. Thank you, everybody.
All right. Thank you, Mayor Barnes. Now to kick this rally off right, it's my pleasure to introduce Northern Illinois University President, Dr. Lisa Freeman.
Hey, Huskies! You look amazing! I am so excited to see everybody out there. Our alumni who came home, our current faculty, staff, and students, our student athletes, our dancers, our engineers, and our amazing Husky marching band. You rock! Yeah, go Huskies! And Mayor, I want to thank you and all of the community members here for letting everybody know, the Huskies who came home and the Huskies who live on campus, that this is indeed our home. And we are welcome in the City of DeKalb today and every day. So thank you. I hope that we see everyone here in Husky Stadium on Saturday, because our football team deserve to have you there to cheer them on. Now the mayor did a 1, 2, 3, go Huskies. He kind of stole my line, so I'm going to do something a little bit different but kind of related. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do NIU. Got it? All right. 1, 2, 3. NIU! Yeah! Go Huskies!
Thank you, President Freeman. As part of NIU's homecoming tradition, it's the NIU Homecoming Court and the crowning of NIU's royalty. Here to introduce the 2024 royalty is a Marion Weatherby.
As mentioned, my name is Marion. I'm the president of the Campus Activities Board here at NIU, and we have the pleasure of sponsoring the homecoming court selection process this year. The Campus Activities Board would like to thank you guys for being a part of homecoming. This is what really brings us all together and really shows our Husky pride. This selection process was designed to select students who do community service and have big Husky pride on campus. And so, combined with votes that you guys voted, and then also our homecoming committee selected them as well, they are the homecoming royalty for 2024. Now, without further ado, let's meet our homecoming royalty for 2024. To start off, we have Imani Jones, a senior majoring in nursing. One more time for Imani. All right, next we have Jeremiah Johnson, a senior majoring in sociology. Next, we have Anahita Sinabari, a senior majoring in biological sciences. And lastly, we have Aiden O'Brien, a senior majoring in marketing. Let's give them one more round of applause for their dedication, enthusiasm, and contributions to our NIU campus community. Our homecoming royalty will also be recognized at the football game this Saturday. So if you guys could please come out and cheer on the football team and your homecoming royalty for 2024. Thank you guys, and the Campus Activities Board would like to thank you as well.
All right, congratulations to all the NIU Homecoming Court. And now it is my pleasure to introduce the man of the hour, and you know who he is, NIU's head football coach, Thomas Hammock.
Hey, how we doing, Huskies? Hey, we really need you guys on Saturday. We got a tough opponent in Toledo. We've had a great week of practice. Our best week of practice of the season was this week. So I like that. Couldn't be more excited about our football team. We got a lot of representatives up here. Got some guys up here I want to introduce. Nate Belcarson. Give him one. Ontario Brown. Skylar Gill Howard. And Jacob Finley. You'll be seeing these guys and a bunch of other guys on Saturday. But we need your support. It's going to be a great game, a competitive football game. We are ready to play. This event gets better every year, no different than our football team. So we can't wait to play on Saturday and go Huskies. But before I turn it over, I'm going to let Skylar, one of our captains, speak to you guys.
Hey, game in and game out, I just want to say I appreciate everybody coming out here to support us, man. It means a lot. Every game, every win, every loss, we appreciate all the support. We're all tight end, we're all dogs, we're all family. And that's what Huskies are about. So they told me I couldn't scream, but the freshmen know it. Hey, dog team! Hey, dog team! Hey, go Huskies, man. I appreciate y'all.
All right, thanks, Coach and players. We appreciate that. One thing we came here for, we do this every year so far, and it's been great. He is one of our biggest cheerleaders. We love him. It's our very own Brad Hoy. How about it, Huskies? All right. So you got to be, I guess, an old guy and a long-time alum at NIU to have this job to lead the fight song. Before I do, I want to thank our Community Homecoming Committee for another great job. Let's give it up for them. Okay, a little history. So this fight song was written by Dr. Francis Stroop. He was a professor at NIU in the School of Music, but he was also a coach. He coached swimming. And it's a variation of the loyalty song. So this song was written in 1961. It first appeared in the Northern Star. These guys know it. The band knows it. Dr. Boo, take it away! For coming out to the Downtown Block Party. We appreciate it. Lots of great stuff going on downtown tonight. We hope to see you on Saturday when we beat Toledo. DJ NRG, it is all yours, my friend.
And the car show winners are Best Customized, Tom and Carolyn Cosmel. Best Preserved, David Booth. And Best Husky Themed, Jason Withers. This has been a Moonshine Muscle production. Produced by I've Been Getting Her Done. Directed by Izzy Drecton. Camera, Rand K. Amateur. Lighting, LED. Editor, Editor. Music by the NIU Marching Band. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, and you haven't already, and if you really feel like it, please subscribe. So long, folks.